Hey everybody, welcome back to Vocal Collective. Today we're going to be using the Canon A1 and Kodak Portra 400, and we're in South Beach, Miami. I'm actually rating this at ISO 200 because color negative film is flexible and I do not want to underexpose my shots. First time here in South Beach, and it's so freaking hot. It is unbelievable. Tons of beach goers. There's this whole strip of bars over there. They have these gigantic drinks. There are all these Art Deco buildings everywhere. Really cool spot for some film photography. Guys, there's actually like Versace's mansion is right there. That's pretty cool. Gianni Versace was shot like right in front of that. So Miami has a lot of vibrant colors, a lot of Art Deco buildings, so we've chosen specifically to use Portra 400 to really showcase and show off the vibrancy of Miami. I actually really love this lens. It's a manual focus 50mm 1.4. Canon made it, and I can actually adapt this to my Sony a7 III, and it's pretty freaking cool. So this is actually my first SLR camera. It's the thing that got me into photo and eventually video from the start. I got it for 60 Australian dollars, purchased it used in 2013 while I was living in Australia. It is perfect for beginners. Like, it got me into all of it. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe below. Tune in next time. We'll do another camera and another film stock.